Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots with your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that, you need to open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Your earbuds will enter to pairing mode automatically, but if your earbuds connected with another device, you need to disconnect them from another device, and then they will enter to pairing mode automatically. Now click Connect near to your earbuds, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!